Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. Now, Tina is talking about Miss D. She is saying it's been a long time since she has checked on her coworker. And so she went online to look at the goodies that Miss D is selling. And that's the baskets that she's now selling for Valentine's Day. Now, she's given her opinion as to what should have been in the baskets. She's saying that because it's Valentine's Day, she don't see where there should be crackers in the baskets, but she believes that there should be some form of toys, sex toys, some form of massage oils and other stuff that are for adults or adult play that should be in the basket since it's Valentine's Day and people do have sex on Valentine's Day. So she's saying that that should have been something that they thought about, but maybe it's for a specific demographic of people, and that's the reason why that was done like that. But she's saying that in the future she could put other stuff like that that would have enhanced, you know, the Valentine's Day for whoever is purchasing the items or whoever it's for. So guys, go ahead and catch the video and see what more Tina has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all those who have birthdays today, you celebrate birthday and Valentine's Day in one. So a happy birthday and a happy Valentine's Day. And I wish you prosperity, joy, peace, and happiness throughout this year. And as I always say to my lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
You know, say a long time I don't check for my co-worker. I'm going to check for my co-worker. I'm going to check for her. Co-worker, I'm rotted. I don't have no co-worker. I work on my own. I don't have no co-worker. I'm going to check for her. I saw me love fast pan them, you know. You have to keep watching. Don't turn on the back pan on the enemy, yeah? Always watch them so you can predict them next move. Yeah, man. Don't turn your back pan them. Alright, I'm going to see that one here. What should I sell now? Just I put one bag of fat together and sell it. Lord of mercy. What the idiot me running on now, Jesus. Just any old fat you put together. Lord of merciful Father. So tell me something. What may I do with them cookie in my basket now? What may I do with chocolate chip cookie in my basket? And Pringles. Wow. Well, you know, I'm Jamaica, so I probably like them things. Jesus, look at that. We're just looking. Okay, true. Really? What is I doing there? Like, seriously? What is I doing there? What's this doing there? Almighty God of mercy. My God of mercy. Oh, son. I guess it appeals to the poorer class of people who can't really afford certain things. That's a positive way of looking at it. It appeals to... You see, the difference with me, I can't talk without nothing. You understand? It appeals to the poorer class of people who probably cannot afford certain things. Yes, Oshana, you know? Some of them are gonna laugh. You know, but yeah, it appeals. Yeah, it's ghetto. It's ghetto kibby, but I can be honest. Yeah, I can be honest. And the true juice of the basket appeals to a demographic of people. You know what I mean? So it might be weird to us, but it appeals to certain types of people. You understand? Let me show you. I just think she needs to what? Well, why the fuck she always gotta have cashews in the shit? Who the hell is eating cashews on Valentine's Day? The fuck? It annoys the shit out of me. Everywhere I look, I see cashews. I see cashews, 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 cashews. Peanuts, peanuts, peanuts. Why the fuck you got so much peanuts in the shit? That's what I see. Peanuts. Oh, it appeals to a certain type of people, I guess. Oh, what kind of cookie is this? Why, anybody who buy them basket here got have diabetes. Coupon chocolate. No, sir. And I look no, she have what a juice in the pineapple, the Grace juice from Grace. The last gonna in it. Boy. No, that's gonna eat it at all. I see one with a $5 champagne, Bath and Body. Rotted. I see the Ovaltine biscuit, but I see the crackers. I see the one with the crackers that I guess it appeals to a demographic of people, you know. Me not laugh. Everybody have to take them Anton fashion. Me not laugh off it. Bullet Cleach have a what you call that thing here? Gatorade? Oh. I guess it appeals to a demographic of people, you know. I put a Gatorade in our basket. No, sir. Okay. Okay. A Welsh grape juice. Welsh grape juice. Okay. And the true juice. One throw me off the backside. The one with the true juice. That kind of throw me off. How much for a true juice in Jamaica? Mighty God. Sure. And she put it in the little fur thing, like how me put my stuff in a fur thing too. Lord have mercy. I think it would help her if she go like a home ec. She needs some home economics training. You know? She needs so this is the love box. So what the drawers there? What the panty and the drawers there? This is a grocery box. This is not a love box. This is a grocery box. What the drawers there? What the edible this there and the edible that? This is not a love. What the sex toys them there? Everything are food. No, it's supposed to have sex toys. What I'm to a rose. Fling a rose in there. Where the rose there? She should have some damn rose for some woman. Some pum pum rose. And not roses. I'm talking about the sex toy rose. She should have some rose in this shit. And some dildos and stuff. And some pennies. You know, like a bra set and some pennies and shit in this. She needs some sex toys in this shit. What is Valentine's Day without sex toys? What, you're going to eat yourself to death? You're going to eat and then what are you going to do? You're going to eat and just sex? You're going to eat nuts and chocolates and cake? No, you're going to want to have sex. People have sex on Valentine's Day. Where the sex toys at? Y'all, they don't have sex? Where's the rose? Where's the rose? Ain't no rose here. No massage oil. No massage oil is here. Where the frig is the massage oil? So when you get into a hotel room, I'm just saying, if you're gonna call this shit a love box, it's gotta be a love box, not a food box. It's gotta be a love box. When you think about love, you want body oil, massage oil, KY jelly, condoms, pennies, some edible something, some bullets, some butt plugs, some roses, some dildos, something, whatever they're into. You know, like, you understand? Y'all loving the gut too much. Champagne with some glass, with two glass in it. Two disposable glasses in it. Two disposable champagne flutes in it. You know, with a couple of pieces of chocolate. Nobody don't want no damn fucking nuts. What the hell am I doing with nuts and all this damn food in the damn basket? This is a food basket. This ain't no damn love box. It's bullshit. You know? And true juice. So you're going to be in the hotel drinking true juice and eating crackers? Crackers and true juice? No, you should have some sex toys in this bitch. Where the roses? If she'd have sense, should I make her big friend them send her down some rose? Should I make her, get some rose and put in her basket? You understand? They have the knockoff roses that you can use, but just hope that these knockoff roses don't fry your clit. But they got knockoff roses. You don't have to buy the expensive roses. You can buy the knockoff pum-pum roses, not rose, but, not flowers rose, but roses. That's all you need. Chocolate, roses, and panties. That's it. That's a love box right there. Maybe a teddy bear or some shit like that. But all this crackers and biscuit and nuts and which rose you think me attack? You think me attack flowers rose? I'm not talking about flowers rose. I'm talking about pum-pum rose. She need them shit in her baskets. All of these damn crackers and true juice. Who the fuck is gonna eat this shit? A man wanted roses for both the wife and side chick, and she was afraid. So how she have sex? She just old-fashioned so she just roll up her leg and make the man. That's it? Oh hell no, boy. She even have a damn bag of potato chips in this bitch. This woman have a friggin' bag of potato chips. What the fuck is this? She got a bottle of Welch's juice. What? Well, maybe they don't need to be in Valentine's Day stuff, honey. Because maybe they need to leave Valentine's Day alone. Okay? Because if you're not, you don't even have to be sexually experienced in the sex department. But if you're not up to time with those things, you're not supposed to be in doing no Valentine's stuff, something. Paula have sex. You saw Paula breast them big. You tell me say Paula not have sex. Paula have sex. Paula probably freak you that all of it combined. Paula have sex. You see, you think her boobs, you think her husband married her for her face? Her husband didn't marry her for her face. Her husband married her for her boobs. You notice the types of women that get rings? The women who were not shaped like Barbie doll. And them get ring, the one them wanna shape like Barbie doll. So how she get pitney? Think about it. You freak for see, Paula, she a cock up in a bed and I do one up a position that way we not do all the, what? Okay. No, the basket is somewhat decent because she put the Japanese cherry bath and body stuff. But then she go put crackers in it. Oh. Oh. Oh, she put I think she's just putting anything in the basket at this point to make it make sense. Just anything in the basket then. She have oatmeal cookies to backside. Oatmeal cookies and Welsh juice. Oh, hell no. She should have put some roses in this bitch. She don't know how to do baskets for Valentine's Day. You know. Them lucky them can't give it to me all them want. She can't come out and run her mouth all she want. I don't care. She needs some roses in there. That's what I said. She needed some rose in the damn thing. She need rose in it. Yeah, what's wrong with that? Them talk about me all the time. Me can't talk about them. What's wrong with that? The people who are talking about her hate, who are defending her hate, helping her. They're not helping her one bit. They're not. Because if none of them didn't have any sense, then would I tell her to put some rose in our basket and put some sex toys in our basket? That's the problem. Everybody where I cuss for, they're a set of idiots. They're one big set of idiots. All of them. Okay? And them look like a set of undercover freaks themselves. Anybody where I cuss for. Okay? Because number one, they can't help her. They can't help her. Because I would never sit around her and have her put no damn true juice and crackers in no damn thing called love box. Love box? But like I said, it's okay for probably the demographics that she's in. But if me want to spend a good money on a basket, me want to see something edible in it. Me want to see a sex toy in it. Me want to see a fake penis in it. Me want to see something in it. Me want to see a rose. Me want to see something edible. Me want to see some massage oil in it. This is a lunchbox. This is a lunchbox. Exactly, Stephanie. This is a lunchbox. This ain't no damn love box. And I'm giving constructive criticism. But like I said, she has some of the stuff them there that probably are good for certain people who can't afford certain things.